As the world braces for the impact of international trade restrictions, we're witnessing an unprecedented scarcity of essential items that could alter the way we live. This is not a drill, folks. This is the stark reality of a world where global tariffs, factory shutdowns, and shipping slowdowns are becoming the norm rather than the exception. We're at a critical juncture where the everyday items we take for granted, the ones we use to cook our meals, keep us warm, and power our lives, are under threat. The electronics we rely on, the cooking gear we need, the hygiene products that keep us clean and healthy, the outdoor gear that shelters us, and even the clothing that protects us, all these could soon become unaffordable or unavailable. Key suppliers, especially China, are pulling back. Shipping delays are stacking up like never before, and as new trade restrictions take effect, the availability and affordability of these essential items are at risk. The situation is grave and it's escalating rapidly. The clock is ticking and the window to act is narrowing. The urgency of the situation cannot be overstated. This isn't a time for complacency, it's a time for action, it's a time to be prepared. Being prepared is not just about having a stockpile of essentials, it's about understanding the changing dynamics of the world and adapting our lives accordingly. It's about being ready to face any situation, come what may. So what does this mean for you? It means that now is the time to get your hands on these critical items. If you haven't started stocking up yet, now is the time. When it comes to preparation, electronics are often overlooked, but they are the first line of defense in any crisis. They help us communicate, navigate, and function when conventional methods fail. In a world increasingly reliant on technology, having a stockpile of essential electronics is not just an option, it's a necessity. Think about it. In the event of a power outage or a natural disaster, a two-way radio could be your only means of communication. It's a lifeline that can help you stay connected with the world, get updates on the situation, and reach out for help if needed. And with the current state of international trade, stocking up on these radios now is more important than ever. Then there's the matter of power. In a crisis, you can't rely on the grid. That's where solar battery chargers come in. They harness the power of the sun to keep your devices running, even when everything else fails. But with factories shutting down and tariffs on the rise, these essential items are becoming scarce. And let's not forget about lighting. In the dark, a rechargeable flashlight can make all the difference. It can help you navigate, signal for help, and of course, see what you're doing. With the current stock dwindling and restocking uncertain, grabbing one now is a smart move. Lastly, consider small power tools. Whether it's for repairs, construction, or survival, these tools can be invaluable in a crisis. But like the rest of our electronic essentials, they're becoming harder to find and more expensive to buy due to tariffs and factory shutdowns. So what's the takeaway? It's simple. Electronics are a vital part of any prepper's arsenal. And with the current state of the world, stocking up on them now is a wise, if not necessary, decision. Remember, once the current stock runs out, getting your hands on these items might be impossible. The ability to cook and feed oneself is vital in any crisis. In a world where power sources can't be relied on, having the right tools to prepare food becomes a cornerstone of survival. Camp stoves, solid fuel tablets, and cast iron pans are more than just camping gear. They're your kitchen in times of uncertainty. But as we've seen with other essentials, these items are not immune to the effects of global trade restrictions and manufacturing slowdowns. Many of these products heavily rely on imports, and the current geopolitical climate is putting their availability at risk. Prices are already climbing, and once current stock is depleted, restocking could take months. Maybe it will never happen. So consider this a call to action, a call to ensure you have the means to feed yourself and your family when the chips are down. Without power, you'll need a reliable way to cook. Don't wait until the shelves are empty. Hygiene is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's easy to overlook the basics like soap, toothpaste, razors, and feminine products when focusing on survival essentials. But let's face it, cleanliness and comfort can make a huge difference in our mental well-being during stressful situations. Now consider this. As tariffs are already impacting the availability of these products, imagine what a full-blown crisis could do. The last thing you'd want is to run out of these essentials when they are not readily available in stores. Think about it. Toothpaste not only keeps your teeth clean but can also help with minor burns and itches. Soap doesn't just keep you smelling fresh, it prevents illnesses. Razors and feminine products, they maintain personal hygiene and prevent infections. So, start stocking up now to ensure you are prepared for any situation. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness, especially in a crisis. When the comforts of home are no longer available, outdoor gear becomes your best friend. If we're honest, most of us take our cozy homes for granted. But what happens when they're not an option anymore? That's where quality outdoor equipment comes into play. Let's talk about tents. A good tent is more than just a temporary home. It's a shield against the elements, a fortress of solitude, and a beacon of hope in the wilderness. It's a place to rest, to plan, and to rejuvenate. But as international shipping delays continue to pile up, these essential shelters are becoming harder to come by. And once they're gone, who knows when they'll be back? Next, let's consider rain gear. Being wet is more than just uncomfortable. It can lead to hypothermia, it can slow you down, and it can make a tough situation even more challenging. A reliable poncho or waterproof jacket can be the difference between pushing forward or being stuck in the rain. And like tents, these lifesavers are seeing heavy delays in shipping. Sleeping pads may seem like a luxury, but trust me, they're as essential as any other gear. A good night's sleep is crucial to maintain your physical strength and mental clarity. A sleeping pad not only provides comfort but also insulates you from the cold ground. But just like tents and rain gear, sleeping pads are also becoming scarce. And let's not forget other outdoor equipment like backpacks for carrying your essentials, or hiking boots that can withstand rough terrains. These are not mere accessories, they are survival tools. And they are all subject to the same supply chain disruptions that are affecting the rest of the world. In summary, outdoor gear is not just about surviving, it's about thriving in the face of adversity. It's about being prepared to face the elements head on, come what may. And the time to stock up is now, before these items become as scarce as a cool breeze in the desert. Staying dry, sheltered, and mobile is crucial. Don't be caught unprepared. When society collapses, survival tools don't just make life easier, they make life possible. These are the tools that turn survivors into thrivers, giving you the edge you need in a world gone wild. Fire starters, for instance, are more than just convenient. They're a lifeline in a world without electricity, providing warmth, a way to cook food, and a signal for help. Hatchets and knives, too, are invaluable, useful for everything from building shelters to defense. But here's the kicker. These items are facing a serious scarcity. With manufacturing delays hitting metal-based items hard, the supply of these critical tools is dwindling. Stores are already reporting low stocks, and once those supplies run out, restocking could take months if it happens at all. When demand spikes, these items will be the first to go. Don't be left empty-handed. Act now and secure your survival tools before it's too late. In a world without reliable power, the sun is your strongest ally. This radiant star, our sun, provides an endless source of energy, just waiting to be harnessed. Solar lights, chargers, and power banks are not just convenient. They are indispensable tools for survival when the grid goes dark. They provide a lifeline, a beacon of hope in the darkness, converting solar energy into usable power. Imagine lanterns illuminating your path, solar panels charging your devices, and power banks ensuring you're never completely off the grid. But here's the catch. With almost 80% of the world's solar components manufactured in China, factory shutdowns and shipping slowdowns are creating a potential scarcity. This means the sun's power might be plentiful, but the tools to harness it could soon be in short supply. Solar gear is essential for off-grid survival. Don't wait until it's too late. In a crisis, medical help may not be available. Your health is in your hands. Now, that's not just a catchy phrase. It's a reality we may soon face. The truth is, many of our first aid supplies, from bandages to medications, come from overseas. With import restrictions tightening, these essential items could become scarce. Therefore, it's crucial that we take action now. Start by stocking up on antiseptics, wound kits, over-the-counter meds, and creams. These are the basics that can make all the difference when professional medical help isn't an option. And let's not forget about the medications you or your family members regularly use. Make sure there's an ample supply of those as well. Remember, in a crisis scenario, these items will not just be about convenience, they will be about survival. In a collapse, you'll be your own medic. Be prepared. Clothing isn't about fashion in a crisis, it's about survival. Now think about it. Most of our clothing is manufactured overseas, and with the tightening tariffs, it's becoming less profitable to import. This could lead to a potential scarcity of quality, durable clothes. So what should you prioritize? Well, functional clothing. That's your boots, coats, shirts, and socks, especially gear for cold weather. These items are disappearing off the shelves first, and for good reason. Picture yourself in a crisis scenario. You're cold, wet, and on the move. The last thing you want is to be stuck in worn-out shoes or soaked through a thin coat. No, you want gear that can withstand the elements, keep you warm, and last. So, while it's still available and affordable, consider stocking up on these essentials. When you're cold, wet, and on the move, you'll wish you'd stocked up. Food is fuel. Without it, we can't survive. It's the energy that powers our bodies, the sustenance that carries us through each day, and in times of crisis, it becomes even more essential. In our world of just-in-time delivery, shelf-stable foods such as canned goods, meals ready to eat or MREs, and dry goods like rice and pasta are often overlooked. But as imports shrink and costs rise, these long-lasting staples could become scarce. Imagine a situation where your local grocery store's shelves are bare. The trucks have stopped coming, and the pantry is running low. This is where prepping comes into play. By stocking up now on these non-perishable food items, you can ensure that you and your family have the fuel you need to weather any storm. Don't be left hungry when the crisis hits. Stock up now. The world is changing, and we must change with it. As we've outlined in this video, the urgency of prepping cannot be overstated. The rippling effects of tariffs, factory shutdowns, and shipping slowdowns are already being felt in the marketplace. Electronics, cooking gear, hygiene products, outdoor gear, survival tools, solar products, first aid supplies, clothing, and shelf-stable food, all essential for survival, are becoming scarce and expensive. It's not about panic buying, but about smart, proactive preparation. The items we've discussed are not luxury goods, but the bare essentials needed to weather difficult times. As the saying goes, forewarned is forearmed. By stocking up on these items now, you're arming yourself with the tools and supplies necessary to face whatever lies ahead with confidence. Remember, the time to prepare is now, not when the crisis hits. Be smart, be safe, and be prepared.